So Xiaomi 12T series is ready for a global launch on 4th of October. The series will include two models, namely the Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. The major highlighting feature of the Xiaomi 12T Pro will be its camera. The device will rock a 200 megapixel main camera, which is likely to be Samsung's ISOCELL HP1 camera sensor, making it one of the first devices to have this sensor. The rest of the specs and features are quite impressive as well, which I'm gonna be telling you in this video. So let's delve in. Starting with the design, both smartphones could come with the traditional glass and weight design. At the back, it has one large camera sensor and two small sensors. The camera placement is similar to the Xiaomi 12 Pro from last year. The front of the phone would feature a flat 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display is surrounded by thin bezels and it has a hole punch cutout in the top center. As I said earlier, the handset will have a 200 megapixel main camera at the back along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a rubbish 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front, it may feature a 20 megapixel selfie snapper. The device will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC paired with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. On the other hand, the vanilla Xiaomi 12T may feature a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate. The heart of the device would be MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Ultra chipset, which is a upper mid-range smartphone SoC with 4 ARM Cortex-A78 cores with up to 2.85 GHz and 4 power-efficient ARM Cortex-A55 cores with up to 2 GHz. For optics, the device will get a 108 megapixel main camera paired with an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro snapper. On the front, the device will feature a 20 megapixel selfie snapper. Both handsets will pack a 5000 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging. On the software front, they will run on the Android 12 OS with MIUI 13 skin on top. Other features include dual speakers with Harman Kardon, an IR blaster, a USB-C port and a robust cooling system. As for the pricing, the vanilla Xiaomi 12T with 8 and 128GB model could cost around €580, while the 8 256GB model could cost around €630. On the other hand, the more premium Xiaomi 12T Pro could be made available at a starting price of €770 in its 8 and 256GB variant, while the 12 256GB model could cost around €800. So that is all for this video, and what you guys think about this, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.